Welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to be making this beautiful mini traveling bag. This is what we are going to be making today, so check the description box for the full measurements. So I've already cut out the two pieces that we'll need. So you see the way I'm doing it. So you measure it that way. You measure 2 inches from that end, and then you draw a line and then shape it. So if this is your first time of seeing my channel, my name is Elijah Alice, and on this channel we do everything bag making. If there's any bag you want us to make, like lunch box, traveling bag, school bag, you can comment in the comment section. Thank you for stopping by. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. If this is your first time of seeing my channel, you are welcome. So please do well to like, share and subscribe to this channel. So now I am shaping it. After you have taken your measurements, then you shape it this way. Then you use one side to shape the other side. Make sure that you always do it like this. Use one side to shape the other side. After you have shaped, just only shape one side, and then you use that side to get the other side so that your bag can come out well. That is what I am doing right now. So I'm done shaping the front, so I will use the front to get the back piece. This is the back. I'll place the front on it, then I will shape it round. Just shape it the same way. I'm done shaping the two. Can you see it? So this is the front and this is the back. So this is the pocket. It's 11 by 6 inches. The pocket is 11 by 6 inches. So you fold it in like this and then you stitch it down. I'm just stitching it. So I will notch the downside. Then I'll place it on the front piece. It's a front pocket, so I'll place it just like that. Then I will sew it. We'll sew it that way. Thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. This is the handle of the bag. We are going to put handle. So the handle is 43 inches long. 23 inches long. So it's two. You need 2 pieces. So you cut 2 pieces, one for the front and one for the back. Then you sew it down. You measure 2 inches from the center and then you sew it. If you have not yet subscribed, I will give you some few seconds to subscribe. This is how you subscribe. Just watch this and then you hold the notification bell. Click all so that you get notified whenever I drop a new video. Have you subscribed? Thank you. So now we'll continue. You measure around the main body to get the round measurement. And then we have 51 and half. We have 51. I'm going to be cutting 52. So we'll place it. After we measure each one, we'll now place it on the lining. Then we'll cut. We'll sew it down that way. So I've done that. So now this is a zipper base. The zipper base is 18 inches by 5.5. So I've cut it out. Then I will divide it into 2. It's 5.5. I will divide it into 2. That is where we are going to be fixing our zipper. So that's what I'm doing right now. If you have subscribed, thank you very much. Please like this video. Give us a like. Give us a thumbs up. And drop your question in the comment section. So I've sewn the zipper. I've sewn it. So I'll just put my zipper pull. We need 2 zipper pull. Size 5. I'm using size 5. You can actually use any size. So this is the down gusset. It's 32 by 5.5. It's 32 by 5.5. So I will put it on the zipper base, stitch it, then turn it to the other side and pre-stitch it. So I'm done with that. Now we'll bring the zipper base together and notch the center. So after notching it, we'll start from the front. We'll start sewing it on the front piece. That's what I am doing right now. So we'll start sewing it on the front piece. Can you see it? We sew it round and join it in the other side. I'll finish doing it. Can you see? I've joined it. I've sewn it round. So this is the back piece. We'll take the back piece and then we'll put it on the front piece and then we'll sew it. So we are gradually coming to the end of this video. If you have watched to this extent, thank you very much. See that our bag is ready. So share this video, like this video, and subscribe to our channel for more. So you use your bias to tape the edge round. If you like, you can leave it like that, but I will tape mine. So thank you for stopping by. There are some other videos that will pop up at the end of this video if you watch to the end. So you can click any of them and watch. This is our final result. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for stopping by. God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye. Thank you.